So this is MQ2 smoke sensor. So it will detect any smoke and will trigger a signal. So it is connected to pin 16, the 3.3 volt and ground. So it is input pull up, and like whenever like there is a smoke, it will pull the pin low, and whenever the pin is pulled low, like in scratch, will start a fire alarm. So let's just see the demo. So as you can see, like whenever there is a smoke, it will trigger the alarm and will play the fire alarm. So this is our smoke sensor, and this is our code for smoke sensor. So it is connected to pin 16, and it is input pull up, so it is always high. And then we'll set a trigger when the pin is falling, like when the MQ2 sensor detect a smoke and it will pin the pull low, it will trigger an event, and when the event is triggered, it will start a fire alarm. So you can take other actions also based on the fire alarm, like send a WhatsApp notification also. So all those things are possible in CodeSkool. This is just a basic demo of how to use the MQ2 sensor using our sensor kit extension, which is available in CodeSkool Premium.